Hello, my name is Luc Somers. I'm from Belgium and I'm the chairman of Support Ghana. So since 2007 I've been coming to Ghana every year, first as a cyclist and then later on I start coming to do some sports with some friends here in some schools, and we decided to help develop the communities around Pando here in Ghana at the Volta region. And we've been helping with school infrastructure, with tertiary level scholarships for students and things like that. And then in 2015, some of the young ones from the organization, they started to create their own organization, their own foundation here. And so the name of that organization is Emo Foundation, and I have the secretary, Mauli, here with me.
Yeah, hello. Well, my name is Kachia Dambozak, but normal people call me Mauli. I'm popularly known as Mauli. The Mauli is an Ewe word, means God is alive. So normally, I'm the financial secretary at the same time the project manager of Emo Foundation. Well, Emo is Emo. Emo is means in our local dialect is path. So that's why it's called Emo Foundation, Path to Wisdom. So normally we have a project we are embarking on, which we are trying to extend a 6th class building of a school called St. Patrick's School, a community here in Pando. So we're happy if you guys will, donate so that we will make this project a successful one. And Emo, during the COVID, we find difficult to raise funds in Belgium because Luke is having Support Ghana in Belgium called Support Ghana, and they are our co-sponsor. But during the COVID, we find difficult to have funds in Belgium. That was the reason why now we have a restaurant. At the same time, we have the guest house to at least to generate a local income to support the Emo Foundation. Yeah, so
okay, thank you.
Yeah, maybe something from like we look forward to seeing you or something.
And also, we're really looking forward to see you guys here in Ghana, in Pando. And we are happy we had a successful meeting with the education office and also the head of the schools, and everything went on successfully. And also we are also trying to get all the necessary budget for the project. So we are looking forward to welcome you guys in Ghana.
Everybody is really ready to invite you here and to host you here. So we are really they're all looking forward to see you guys here next year, and I hope we can bring this project to a success at the end next year.
So we always go.
Yo,
Are you cool?